Many online tax software programs advertise that you can file your taxes for free, except a lot of people end up spending an hour or two inputting their tax forms only to find out that the tax forms that they've input bumps them up to the paid version. So if you truly want to file your taxes for free in 2021, stick around. In this video, I'm covering the best free tax software to file your 2020 tax return. Hey guys, it's Justine with the College Investor, Investing and Personal Finance for Millennials, and I bet something that's top of mind for you right now is figuring out how to file your taxes and do it completely free. So if you've been researching what tax software programs to use, I have a couple of quick tips for you to go through those pricing packages to make sure you are absolutely getting the free version. Okay, two big questions that you should ask yourself before you sign up for a tax software program is if the state return is included in the free version. So oftentimes tax software programs will say that the federal return is for free, but the state return is an additional cost. And sometimes that can be a tune of $30 to $40 for the state return. So if that's the case, make sure that you are understanding exactly whether or not federal and state returns are included. The second question that you should ask yourself is what type of deductions are included in the free version. So oftentimes only your W-2 is included in the free version. However, some tax software programs are including certain deductions like the earned income tax credit or student loan interest in the free version, but sometimes those exact same things in another software, including retirement contributions or HSA contributions, could bump you up into the paid version. So those are two questions to ask yourself. One, is the state return included in the free version? And two, what types of deductions are included in that free version? Okay, so you're probably wondering what specific tax software companies are truly offering free filing situations for 2021. Let's go over this top list that we have pulled together for you. The first one is H&R Block, and you can file your federal and state returns for free. This includes unemployment income, student loan interest, educational expenses, and the child tax credit. That's all included in the free version. The things that you need to watch out for is if you have any HSA contributions or child care expenses, plus if you qualify for the retirement savers credit, you may have to upgrade into their paid version. The second company that's offering both free federal and state returns is TurboTax. Now, this also includes unemployment income and dependent credit for free. Now, watch out if you have student loan interest and you claim any HSA contributions or childcare expenses, you'll need to bump up into that paid version. So you can see how one tax software like H&R Block is including student loan interest, and then TurboTax is not including that, and you'd have to bump up. That's why it's super important to look over what tax forms you have in hand and then compare the pricing packages for each of these tax software companies. Now let's keep going through the list. The next one is TaxAct. TaxAct offers child tax credit in the free tier, and you can file your federal and state returns for free. However, if you have unemployment income, student loan interest, child or dependent care expenses, or those HSA contributions, then you are going to have to bump up into the paid version. The next one is Credit Karma Tax. Credit Karma Tax is truly 100% free. They are the only tax software in 2021 that we found that's offering a truly free experience. Now, if you have complex filing situation, such as you are inputting a Schedule J form, or you have earned foreign income that you are wanting to report on your tax return, those things would not be included in the free version. The next tax software that is offering both federal and state returns for free is TaxSlayer. So you can also report student loan interest and educational expenses. However, if you have any dependents, HSA contributions, IRA contributions, or other situations, you may need to upgrade with TaxSlayer. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of advertising with these different tax software programs that you can file your taxes for free online and do it very easily. However, you really have to look at the fine print and look at those gotchas, because ordinary things like HSA contributions, outside investing, or even student loan interest oftentimes can bump you up into the paid version. But sometimes the paid version is most likely what you need, and you can find a lot of good bargain software that is going to fit your needs. Now remember, the only truly free experience we found for 2021 is Credit Karma Tax, but if it ends up not being a good fit for you, bump over to another tax software program that may be including a paid version. Now, if you need help making a decision, be sure to check out all of our complete thorough reviews and tax software walkthrough videos and blog posts right here at thecollegeinvestor.com.